Welcome back to TechChi, your go-to place for all things tech, where we explore the innovations shaping our future. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been hovering on the edge of reality for years but is now stepping boldly into our lives: quantum computing. This isn't just the next evolution of traditional computing, it's a complete reimagination of how machines think, solve problems, and interact with the universe itself. So if you've ever wondered what quantum computing really is, how it's different from the classical computers we use today, and more importantly, how it could reshape everything from medicine to finance to climate modeling, buckle up. Because we're about to journey into a realm where reality gets weird, but the possibilities are mind-blowing. Before we get into how it's going to change everything, we need to understand what quantum computing actually is. And to do that, we have to take a tiny detour into the quantum world. In classical computing, everything is binary. Your laptop or smartphone processes information in bits, either zeros or ones. That's it. But quantum computers use something called qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to the weird rules of quantum mechanics, specifically superposition and entanglement. These concepts aren't just abstract science jargon, they're what make quantum computers exponentially more powerful. A quantum computer doesn't try one possibility at a time like your regular PC. It can evaluate many possibilities simultaneously. That means problems that would take classical supercomputers thousands of years to solve could potentially be cracked in seconds. Why does this matter? Because it challenges everything we thought we knew about the limits of computation. And it's not a distant dream anymore. Tech giants like IBM, Google, and startups like Rigetti are already building real quantum machines. Governments are investing billions. This is happening now. Let's bring it down to earth. What does this actually mean for you, me, and the world? Let's start with healthcare. Today, discovering new drugs is a painfully slow and expensive process. There are billions of molecules to analyze, and classical computers just can't simulate molecular behavior accurately at the quantum level. But a quantum computer could model complex molecules and predict how they interact in seconds. That means faster vaccine development, more effective cancer treatments, and potentially even cures for diseases we currently see as incurable. Now take finance. Quantum computing could revolutionize the way we model markets. Financial systems are chaotic and depend on countless variables. Traditional simulations are limited, but quantum algorithms can evaluate risk, simulate economic systems, and optimize portfolios on a scale we've never seen before. Hedge funds and banks are already preparing for this. And then there's climate change. Modeling Earth's climate with real precision requires analyzing an unfathomable number of variables, from ocean currents to atmospheric particles. A true quantum computer could run climate simulations so detailed and accurate that we'd finally be able to predict future changes with confidence and create more effective mitigation strategies. Even transportation stands to gain. Companies like Volkswagen are already using quantum algorithms to optimize traffic flow and logistics. Imagine cities with dramatically reduced congestion, not just through better traffic lights, but with real-time optimization across entire networks. But it's not all good news. Quantum computing is also a threat, especially to cybersecurity. Most of the world's digital security, from online banking to military communications, is based on encryption that classical computers can't break. But quantum computers with enough power could easily crack these codes. RSA encryption? Gone in minutes. This looming threat is known as the quantum apocalypse. And it's why we're already seeing a push towards something called post-quantum cryptography, new encryption algorithms designed to withstand quantum attacks. Governments and corporations are rushing to prepare, but we're not there yet. So while quantum computing promises incredible progress, it also comes with new risks that we must prepare for now, not later. Quantum computing isn't just a tech innovation. It's a geopolitical race. The US, China, the EU, and private companies are all scrambling to be the first to achieve quantum supremacy, the moment when a quantum computer outperforms the best classical supercomputer at a specific task. Google claimed to reach it in 2019 with their Sycamore processor. But critics argued that the task they performed wasn't useful. Still, the point is, we're entering a new global arms race, not for weapons but for quantum power. Why? Because whoever masters quantum computing first gains massive strategic advantage, not just in science, but in economics, intelligence, and defense. It's the new space race, but instead of rockets, we're dealing with qubits. Now you might be thinking, this is all great, but how does it affect me? Well, just like with classical computers, the first wave of quantum technology won't land on your desk or in your pocket, but the effects will ripple into your daily life. If you work in tech, data, logistics, finance, healthcare, or any research-driven field, the way you work could change dramatically. Problem solving will become faster, smarter, and more efficient. And for students or career professionals, it means new opportunities. Entire new fields are opening up: quantum software engineering, quantum algorithm design, quantum cybersecurity. Learning even the basics of quantum thinking now can put you ahead of the curve. The democratization of this power might take time, but when it happens, the shift could be just as big as when the internet or smartphones entered our lives. It's not just about faster computers, it's about new ways of solving problems we once thought were unsolvable. So, will quantum computers really change everything? Not all at once. But over the next decade, their influence will creep into areas we didn't even expect, transforming industries, solving scientific mysteries, and yes, forcing us to rethink what's even possible with technology. It's not science fiction anymore. It's science fact unfolding right now. If you found this video insightful and you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest in technology, make sure to like this video, subscribe to TechChi, and turn on the bell so you never miss a deep dive like this. We've got a lot more coming your way because the future isn't just approaching, it's being built. Thanks for watching and stay curious.